Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you guys how to change the engine oil on a Honda Odyssey. It should cover the models from 2005 all the way until 2010. So all you need for the oil change, guys, is a chair, so you can sit on it here. I'm just kidding. Okay, you need 4.5 quarts of oil filter if you're using from. This is the number, but again, make sure you check the numbers because some engines might differ. We're using Castro Magnatech here. It's really good oil. You can see it has the molecules that's supposed to smoothen the cylinder walls. Or you can see that's without it, this is with it. So I think it's pretty good oil. So stay with us to see what we need to do now. Okay guys, so we need a 17mm socket, and right there towards the passenger side, that's where the drain plug is located. Okay, pretty tight. So we have the front end of the vehicle on jack stands lifted, that way the oil will drain better. And also guys, I forgot to mention, we drove the car about 10 minutes before the oil change. The advantage is of that, the oil will come out faster and you get more oil out. Disadvantage, it's hot oil, it's hot exhaust, so you can really seriously burn yourself. So if you don't feel comfortable, just do it with a cold oil. It will be still fine, just let it drain for a longer period of time. Okay, finally got it loose. Okay, so three things guys never to forget when you do an oil change. Stay with us, we'll share what that is. Okay, and you should wear gloves. Don't do what we do, protect your skin, use gloves. So we will let it drain for probably 5 minutes at least. 5 to 10 minutes to make sure we get everything out of it. So on the right side of the vehicle, on the passenger side, right there, that's where the oil filter is located. Okay, we're gonna take this one off. Sometimes you might need to use an oil filter wrench, depending how tight it is. Okay, so we will let it drain a little bit since we're not using gloves again. If it's hot oil, be very careful because it can really burn your skin. Okay, and the filter is out. Okay, we will let everything drain and we'll get back to it. Okay, so we're ready to install the oil plug now. Just get it tight, that's the first thing guys, not to forget, get this one tight, and don't forget to install and get the oil filter tight as well. We'll get to it in just a minute after we are done with installing the oil plug. Okay, it's a done deal there now. Okay guys, so now what's a good thing about this vehicle, the oil filter is actually vertical like that. So what we're going to do, we will actually fill it up a little bit, that way we can prevent a dry start. Okay, so just a little bit in the middle. Okay, we're going to apply some oil on the seal as well, that way it will be easy to remove next time. We'll get the excessive oil from here out. Okay, and want to make sure you still have some inside, that way when you start the vehicle it will have oil immediately, otherwise it might be starving for some oil at first. Okay, you can see where the filter is supposed to go, so we'll just go ahead, install it and get it tight. Usually you grab those and get them tight by hand, don't use any tools or anything like that because you'll get it too tight. Okay, that's good right there. And now we'll need to put some oil. So for that purpose we'll need to open the hood. So now you need to level the car, remove the jack stands, jack, whatever you have underneath, and we're going to add oil, guys. We'll remove the oil cap, 5W20 oil right there. So we'll use a funnel, that way we don't make a mess on the exhaust. And we'll go ahead and add 4.5 quarts or 4.36 liters, I believe it is. You can actually find this one in the manual, guys. Let me show you quick right here. When you open your manual, guys, on the very last page right here, servicing information summary, you can find your oil capacity. Check it for your specific models because some models might differ. Oil change capacity including filter 4.5 quarts or 4.3 liters. Okay, we're almost ready now. Okay, perfect. That's 4.5 quarts right there. We're going to install the oil cap now. Okay, get it tight. Don't forget to get it tight. Pull the dipstick, wipe it, and we'll try to get a reading now. It might be too full because the oil filter is still a little bit empty. Okay, so we'll dip it after we wipe it so we can get the oil level on it. Okay, it's a little bit above full. So what we're going to do now, guys, we'll go ahead and start the vehicle. Oh yeah, so we need to start it and let it run for about a minute. Okay, and we'll have a video how to reset the oil life as well. Make sure you check on the channel, guys. Please subscribe, help us grow that channel together. So now, what I'm going to do, it's done. We will turn it off, wait about 5 minutes for the oil to go down to the oil pan, and we'll get an accurate reading this time. So we're ready to pull the dipstick, wipe it, and see if we need to add more. Because sometimes when you add 4.5 on some vehicles it will be to the middle. And that's what this one is. So it's between full and empty, so the low mark, so that's good. You can add a little bit more if you need to, but depends on how much you drain as well. So always check, guys. So that will be the whole procedure. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.